What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX error. So in this case, if you're having problems with Marvel Rivals and you're getting that DirectX error, there is a few things here that you could do to probably solve that issue. So first things first, since the error itself is related to DirectX, what you could do here first is we want to check if our GPU is compatible for DirectX. So usually that is DirectX 12. So you want to go ahead and go to your bottom left here and just type in run. And in this case, you want to type in the following, which is going to be dxdiag, and click on OK. Now, in this case, it should open up the DirectX diagnostic tool here, and you want to go to your display. Now, this actually depends on your GPU. As you can see, my PC actually has two GPUs. I have the internal one, which is the Intel Corporation. I have and also NVIDIA here. But what you're looking for is going to be the driver section, and you have the feature levels. So what you are looking for is going to be the 12 value here. So if you do see 12, it means that DirectX 12 is supported. So it shouldn't have any problems with you. But if you don't see 12 in here, it means that it has some incompatibilities here, in which in this case you don't meet the recommended requirements to run the actual game. Which in this case, there is still something that you could try here to probably solve this issue. So you want to go and close this one. You want to go and open up Steam here. Want to locate Marvel Rivals, and you want to right click on it. Now you want to go ahead and go to properties, and you want to go to general, and you want to look for launch options. Now what you need to enter is the following keyword I just entered here, which is going to be -dx11. So what it does, it actually forces the game, or forces Marvel Rivals here to run DirectX 11 instead of 12, because by default it's going to run 12 here. So it's going to force use the X11 here instead of 12. So in this case, you go ahead and close this one, click on play here, and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.